Bless you. We're doing all we can for this one.
Look, it's got a little bit of life coming back over here. See those?
I don't know. Alright everybody, I'm right here. Trying to make sure I ain't finna get dog bit. Test the water here. Come here, buddy. I gotta go out there and catch a horse. Well, you act like you want to bite somebody. Oh. Hey. I don't know. He acts like he means it. Well, if I can try it. He acting like he wants to bite somebody. I ain't no dog whisperer. I ain't scared of dogs, that's for sure, but I know when one's acting like he means business. And Chance acts like he means business. Hey, come here, behave. Be good. Ain't no need in doing all that. Here, ain't like you want to bite me. I'm the horseshoer. Well, what do you know? Feel like we on Charlotte's Web here. Alright, let's get you. Appreciate it. Now folks, some of y'all out there like I would not have got out of that pickup truck. Let me tell you something. You cannot show fear if a dog's coming after you to bark and whatever the case may be. He will bite you and bite you hard if you run. Try to make peace with the animal. This works on all different types of situations with dogs. Now you'll notice that was a homeward bound situation. It works on All Dogs Go to Heaven, Beethoven, whatever the situation may be. If you don't show any fear, you can probably get out of there without getting bit. You're welcome. I don't show fear to bovine, equine, swine, or canines. Remain in full control at all times. Show no fear.
We're trying these great value famous chicken fingers. I wasn't for sure what it said. Famous chicken fingers. So a lot of y'all said that you think that they're copying a restaurant called Raising Cane's, I think. We don't have those restaurants around here, so I'm not gonna be able to know if it tastes like Raising Cane's chicken fingers.
It's a dolphin chicken.
You said a dolphin. Does it look like a dolphin shape?
Uh-huh.
It does kind of look like a dolphin, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, mine looks like a dolphin shape.
Now Sissy has an alligator one. Oh, we have a dinosaur. Man, y'all are seeing, this is like looking at the clouds, finding shapes. Red pepper flakes and the ranch dressing. Okay, not the prettiest plate, but there's lunch. Okay, so the chicken is really good. It definitely doesn't taste like Zaxby's. I'm assuming it probably tastes like the Raising Cane's place. It also reminds me of Dairy Queen's chicken strips. Also, while we're talking food reviews, let me tell you about these new cereals that we got. First of all, this is the Fruity Pebbles one. I already threw the box away because once we open the boxes, I just reseal them and put them up in the cabinet like this, you know, just to have more room instead of having all the boxes up there. This was the Fruity Pebbles crunched, okay? So it looks like this instead of Fruity Pebbles. I was worried that it was gonna taste like Trix. It does kind of taste like Trix. This one, y'all, It tastes like what an apple candle smells like. It's terrible. Well, that was a quick little thunderstorm. I actually kind of like those quick thunderstorms in the summer. I got some beans started in there doing a quick soak for supper. I'm gonna make, never mind, the thunderstorm is not over. I'm gonna make shepherd's pie and biscuits and pinto beans tonight. What? Where did that come from? This must be like an afternoon of mini thunderstorms.
No fire going right now.
No, yeah, we don't have a fire going right now. Let me tell y'all about this thing. Titus has been talking about these things for months. We've been wanting to do a fire pit, you know. So when we went to Lowe's the other day, Titus went over there looking again at these chimneys, and he was like, I'm telling you, let's get one of these chimneys. The reason I didn't want one is because on the box, they look a lot smaller on the box. Like the picture of them, they look really narrow, like that part. I thought that the bottom part was just about as big as the top part. That's how they look on the picture on the box. But anyway, so we went ahead and got one, and I love it. Oh, I gotta check on my beans.
That's the last one today, folks. Paso Fino, Tennessee Walker. Time to go home and get some beans and taters.
Am I the kitchen helper?
Yeah, you and Sissy are the kitchen helpers tonight. I need you to put all these marshmallows in here, okay?
Okay.
Oh. You can take them out with your hands and put them in.
No,
Okay.
that's what big boys do.
Oh, that's what big boys do? Okay. My mama said that the thunder was just the sound of the horses running in heaven.
Oh. That's weird. Mama, why is so funny? When it's thunder wind, Sissy, you can't dance in the rain. Can I do the blue one now?
Yeah.
Yay! Whoa, these are big marshmallows. And that's the mommy, that's the daddy, and this is the grandpa. Oh no, power's going to get out.
Alright everybody, I stopped here at this little gas station. Now y'all can see why I planted my fig tree. I had to have something. I stopped and got me one of these little pineapple juices and a water, and we're going home.
All right, y'all, we finished eating. Got the kitchen cleaned up. I'm coming down here to see what kind of damage all these storms did to my garden. I'm a little nervous. It's not looking too bad yet. There were at least 3 to 5 thunderstorms separate times today. How's it look, Sissy? Yeah, it looks okay, except, yeah, once again, the cucumber. But y'all told me that the cucumber plant will, like, completely, a tree just fell. Hear the guineas? They're sounding off the alarm to let us know. I don't know where that tree was. It was either a tree that fell down or something really big running through the woods, but I'm pretty sure it was a tree. I mean, I've heard some trees fall down before. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. There's the guineas again. Like, it sounded like it came from right over here, but I don't see anything. Oh, I see it right there. How big is it? No, I don't want you to go over there right now because it's another one might fall. Uh-oh. I'm telling y'all, it was lots of wind and rain. I'm trying to see how big that tree was. I have my flip-flops on, so I'm not going to be going in those woods right now. Anyway, back to the garden. Yeah, everything's looking okay. This tomato in here needs a little help. This one's leaning too a little bit over here. Let's see how much rain is in the watering can. I sat it out here when it was first starting to rain earlier. Oh, not too much. We'll take it back over here now. I think that it's done raining for the day. I'm seeing mostly blue skies, so maybe we're done for a while. The good thing is we don't have to water the trees tonight because they got plenty of water today.